大家好，我是叶文超，我来自菲律宾. So I am from Philippines. So I started cooperating with Hunan for the past few years, maybe 2018. And then coming here now is a great opportunity to see the new factory and to be part of the CLJ group.
Actually, my feeling is different than others people maybe because I've started journey with CLJ more than 20 years. I start with CLJ 2000.
I know Chilianji from last 10 years, but we start work as a partner from last 8 years.
Our Chilianji machines gives long lasting performance, and any problems comes we can easily solve. Within half an hour we can solve the problem with Chilianji machine.
I know CLJ is #1 in China producing rice machines, and we are dealing with big players in China. We like to deal with the big players, you know. We deal with #1.
You know, people like too much your machines out of Pakistan market because of your machine quality and performance. We choose Chilianji as a partner because every year you develop new machines. Your machine performance, durability is very good.
Our company specializes in large-scale complete rice milling line, intelligent grain processing technology, committed to providing high-quality and high-stability solutions for global customers. This year, we have received several groups of partners from Thailand and engaged in in-depth exchanges regarding the demands of the Thai market. Among them, the visit by the Rice Association from northeastern Thailand was particularly significant. The association's representatives observed the production and trial operation processes of our equipment and held detailed discussions with our research and development team. They recognized the quality and intelligent technology of our equipment, while also sharing the local demand for high efficiency and sustainable processing in Thailand. This visit laid a solid foundation for future communication and cooperation between both sides. Currently, Thailand's clients have purchased our intelligent rice milling machines and paddy hullers. These smart devices are helping local factories enhance processing capacity, reduce energy consumption, achieve more stable product performance. We will continue to maintain close communication with our Thai partners, working together to advance and grow in processing technology. We sincerely invite the owners of Thai Rice Milling Enterprises to visit our factory and gain firsthand insight into our manufacturing capabilities and quality standards.